Hey Amazon, here is a review of this lovely new Pecute pet carrier. Now this comes kind of flat packed, and the key to keeping this steady at the bottom was this piece of rigid plastic here, and it was important to get this under these grooves either side here. Once that's done, that's quite secure and becomes quite a decent secure place for your cat. You also get, which I'm just reaching for here, this lovely soft velvety kind of cat cushion. No real padding on the bottom, but nice padding around the sides. I don't know if I've got that in the right way, someone might tell me otherwise. But it's a decent sized thing, and we've got quite a fat ginger Tom, but that's going to fit him perfectly. I like the fact that there are multiple access points, so I've kind of zippered these two together here, as you can see, but they obviously undo. But you can get the cat in from this side, or from this side, or even from the top, which will be the way we normally do it, if I'm really honest with you, because he doesn't like going to the vets. But it is a necessary thing for him. Comes with carrying straps like this, which I've got to say, this feels possibly the poorest piece of material on the thing is the handle. The rest of it feels really good quality. I think the zippers look good, if I'm honest. I've not had it much more than 24 hours, but it all looks like it's going to work well. The only thing that I was a little bit concerned about was this relatively poor quality handle, but it will do the job, being absolutely honest. You also get another handle in here, like a shoulder strap, which I'm just leaving in there because we're not going to use it as a shoulder bag. We'll be carrying him like this, like I guess most people do. There's plenty of visibility, as you can see. You'll be able to see, or your cat stroke small dog will be able to see out of here, or out of here, or indeed out of here. So you can see all the way through it. And as I said, the quality does feel very, very good. It's a nice bag. You can see that this also, if you wanted to, you could roll that over the top here. So, but I think our cat's going to like being able to see out of the roof of it rather than having it locked in. All in all, I think this is currently on offer for £33. It's a nice sturdy bag that's going to get him to and from the vets in a lot more comfort than the current cage we've got. I'm sure he'll be happy with that. We are.
This has been a godsend. Catching the train wouldn't have been easy without this. She even slept on the train.
Il est abîmé.
Ouais, Lucas, dis-moi, je voulais te demander, ils m'ont livré un colis Amazon, mais je sais pas, ils l'ont mis où? Tu peux voir s'ils l'ont mis dans la boîte aux lettres ou un voisin, tu peux demander.
Cassé.
Ah ouais, c'est... Ah ok. Parce que moi,